Hey guys, got a 2018 plate Honda Jazz here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen in the center of the dash. And then from here, I'm going to press the home button, top right. Then go to settings. Then system. Now scroll across until you get to sound beep, and it'll say clock adjustments. And from here, adjust to whatever you need, and then press OK when you're finished, and that will save it.